The next thing I did was step 31A, 31B, 31C, and 31D. So first of all, it says get 2 people for the door. It says will require another person holding door section while attaching the fixture and hinges. So I had problems with the door before. What I did was I tied a piece of rope right there. I figured I'd hold it up that way, but the door was light, and when I put it up, it fell right into the track, and it stayed up there, and the top piece held it in. Now, if there was a big wind at that time, it might have blew over, but I was okay. So I got it held up in there myself, and then we go to 31B, C, and D. So basically, what you're doing, you're putting these 2 top pieces in, and you're putting one on the left side, one on the right side, and then you're putting the 3 hinges in. You're tightening them up. That's it. So this is what it looks like when it's done. So you can see I put those right there. You just put them in there, you tighten them up, and again, you're the 3rd hole up. You start 1, 2, 3 hole up, the 3rd hole up on both of them. The 3rd hole up. You stick it in there. And you can just put the hinge in here, put the hinge in here, put the whole piece in there, and it works fine. There's no problems with it. And then on the last part, you just tighten up these hinges. One thing I did notice that I didn't notice before was my door was a little bit off. So I made some final adjustments to try to make sure that it was all the same here, because these adjust in and out. Those down there. So when I adjusted those in and out, I had to adjust the top part. So everything is straight now, and it's all adjusted on both sides. It was a little bit cockeyed before, but now it seems to be okay. And then I'll go outside and show you what it looks like from the outside. And then there's the outside view of it right there. So it looks okay. I think the next thing I got to do is put on springs and everything else. But I think that's going to be it for today. It is just hot, hot, hot here, and just wears me out. But really, I mean, the shed's coming along rather nicely. If you look at it, you'll see. I like the way it looks. Heck, once I get the springs on with the door, which is really going to be the hardest part, I think. Once I get the springs on with the door, the only thing left is putting on paneling, or whatever you call it, the panels on the outside. So hopefully everything is anchored right and it looks right and got everything going. I hope so. So that's it. I'm kind of proud of it right now.